Welcome to Hack This Fall Hyderabad Build Station, where overthinking takes a backseat and building becomes the only thing that matters. Where ideas jump into whiteboards, curiosity becomes awareness, and the hardest problems suddenly start making sense. Nirupma, what are you building?
Abba jabba dabba dabba.
Well, see, that's why you have to be at Hack This Fall Build Station, so that you know what next big thing you're building. Watch closely. This isn't just another crowd. These are the builders of Hyderabad who showed up to turn their ideas into solution that matters.
And if you are here, you're not just attending, you are stepping into a story.
New city, new energy. But one thing remains the same, the true Hack This Fall hacker experience.
And the best part, nobody's alone. Every question finds an answer. Every idea finds a spark. Every builder finds someone who says,
I've met at a lot of events, but this one felt different. The curiosity, the kindness, the hunger, it was all there.
Every table had someone learning, building and helping.
Yeah, I had an amazing experience.
Amazing, I had so much of fun.
Quite interesting.
The builder community here brought a special kind of energy that made this event truly stand out. Well, that was our final build station as part of this Milestone edition, and what a way to end this. As always, I'll see you in the next one, and happy hacking.